everyone, once again this is Inspiration Kulot. Welcome to my Facebook page Inspiration Kulot and to my YouTube channel Inspiration Kulot. If you're new to my channel and page, please consider subscribing and following, and please share and comment so that every time that I will upload a new video like this, you will be notified. Hope this video can give you, I will give you tip about shorts, uploading shorts in your YouTube channel. Very useful. The shorts in our YouTube channel is very useful, and you will use the music background. Dumami ang views ko dahil sa music background. Pili lang kayo sa mga music background sa pag gawa kayo ng shorts sa YouTube. Pili kayo ng music background. Marami mga trending dyan. Dahil dyan, dumami ang mga subscribers ko at mga mga views. At dumagdag din, nag-increase din ang aking income, ang aking monetization. So, maganda talaga ang shorts video sa YouTube dahil sa mga trending na music. Dahil diyan, dumami ang mga subscribers ko, mga views ko, at yung income ko. That's a tip from Inspiration Kulot. God bless us all. Life is short, so be kind. Spread love. We must be an influencer of love and kindness. Thank you.